Finally after a years of struggle, the Mumbai Metro gets a ray of hope from its darkness. Now why are we saying this? Because 2 weeks ago, MMRDA had made a decision that make the Mumbaikars happy. They announced that the Carshed of Mumbai Metro Orange Line and the Red Line will be shifted to a new location to prevent any further delays. Well, this decision is come as a great relief for the Mumbaikars as Mumbai Metro was facing years of delays due to its Carshed issue. Well, we have already made a video about the Mumbai Metro Carshed issue. You can watch that video by clicking on the I button. Now let us understand what actually happened. 2 weeks ago, MMRDA had conducted the meeting under the State Minister Eknath Shinde to discuss about the several mega projects which has been executed in Mumbai. But the most important topic which was discussed in the meeting was the Mumbai Metro project. During the meeting, MMRDA has declared that the Carshed for the two metro lines, which is the Red Line and the Orange Line, will be shifted to the newer locations following the land acquisition and legal issues which were facing for the depot. Now, as per latest decision taken by MMRDA, the depot for the Mumbai Metro Orange Line will be built near Mauji Kasheli beside the Kasheli toll gate instead of Kongaon, which was originally proposed. Although we don't know the exact location, but based on our research, we think that the Carshed will be built just beside the Kasheli toll naka near the mangrove areas. The original plan was to set up the depot for the Orange Line on a private land at Kongaon near Bhiwandi. But this area was never materialized due to strong opposition from the local residents and shopkeepers, as it was required demolishment of some buildings and shops to make way for the depot. Because of this reason, MMRDA have dropped the plan of Kongaon depot and searched any alternatives for the Carshed, where it was finalized that the Carshed for the Orange Line will be built at Mauji Kasheli. Apart from the Orange Line, MMRDA has decided that the Carshed of the Red Line will be shifted to Rai Murde area in Bhayandar instead of Dahisar, which was originally proposed. According to the original plan, the depot for the Red Line was planned to be built at Dahisar on a 40-acre land owned by Airport Authority of India. But no progress was being made as an alternative land was under litigation which was supposed to be handed over to Airport Authority of India to shift the utilities from the Dahisar land. Because of this reason, MMRDA has searched an alternative land for the depot where they found an open ground area at Rai Murde at Bhayandar. But to access the depot, MMRDA had to extend the Red Line for another 11 kilometers from Dahisar East to Mira Bhayandar, which was finally been approved in the year 2018 and now it's under construction. Not only this, according to the Marathi newspaper which was uploaded on the last month, a new metro station will also be built near the depot named Rai Murde Metro Station. Now since the station will be built on an open land beside the depot, chances are that the station will be built at grade as it will be more feasible to build the at grade station instead of elevated station. Although things might be difficult for the Mauji Kasheli depot due to its close proximity to the mangrove areas. But things might get easier once we know the exact location of the depot. Where on the other hand, things might be easier for the Bhayandar depot as Rai Murde area is a government owned land. So, there will be no problem for MMRDA to set up the depot. So finally the day comes. Looks like the Mumbai Metro Carshed issue is now coming to an end. But this is just a beginning as some Mumbai Metro lines are still suffering from the depot issue. They are Mogarpada depot of the Green Line and the Kanjurmarg depot of the Pink Line. But we might get the great victory if they able to sort out the RA Metro Carshed issue, which is delaying the much awaited Kolaba-Bandra Zeebs Mumbai Metro Aqua Line. If state government give go ahead to RA Carshed, then it will be complete within a year and the Aqua Line will be open by the end of 2022, which will be a great relief for the Mumbaikars. We hope that the state government will continue to take these good decisions to get Mumbai freed from the pain by getting its world-class metro rail system. Now before we end this video, we have a major update for you guys. As you all know that we are making a Q&A video on our 1000 subscriber special video. Ask your questions with hashtag AskTGT in the comment section of our Q&A post of our Insta page. You can directly reach that post by clicking the link given in the description box. For more updates on rapid transit system like this, like and share the video and subscribe to our channel The Global Transits. Have a nice day.